Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, you learn, additional to the FreeCAD sketching, you also learn about the application of FreeCAD tools like thickness, mirror, hole, and fillet. This is the exercise for today. This is the 2D drawing that we need to convert to this 3D solid part. As you know, there are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. Click this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create parametric solid part. In this case, the body will be automatically inserted. Today we create, step by step, this 3D part in FreeCAD based on this 2D drawing. In step 1, we create the bottom part of the solid part. Create all sketches on this plane. Insert the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane. Hold Ctrl and select the endpoints and the symmetry axis, and then activate the Constrain Symmetry tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it by 50 millimeters. Extrude the solid part to the left direction. Now, we create the part of the solid part which is defined as position 2. Select the surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Choose this tool and extract the reference edge. First, sketch the circle on the vertical axis. Now create roughly the shape of the profile and put the dimensions later. Constrain the lines tangential to the circle. Now, assign the dimensions. Let us trim unnecessary edges and curves. Everything is green means the sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and extrude it by 20 millimeters. If the sketch is disappear, then activate the option Reverse. In step 3, we create the cylindrical part with a radius of 46 millimeters. Select the surface and then activate again the Sketch tool. Extract the reference curve to define the center of the circle. Extrude the sketch to the thickness of 40 millimeters. Reverse the direction. In step 4, we create a hole in the middle of the cylindrical part. To create a hole, select the front surface of the cylinder and activate the Hole tool. Set the diameter to 50 millimeters and select the option Through All. In step 5, we add fillet to the edges according to the requirements. Radius of 6 millimeters. In step 5, we remove material from the created part. The thickness of the main part is 2.5 millimeters. Activate the thickness tool and then select the faces to remove. Remember, first apply the fillet and then the thickness tool. The final step is to create the cross member. Now create a new sketch for the profile and choose the YZ plane to sketch on. Activate the View Section tool and extract the reference edge. Sketch roughly the profile. Assign the dimensions. Click Close to exit the fully constrained sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pad tool. Select the option Up to Face or Up to Shape and then select the face. In this dialog window, there is no symmetry option. Select the pad and activate the mirror tool and then select the YZ plane. The 3D solid part is finalized. Adding material to the 3D solid part. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.